Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Today's video we are going to unboxing one of the program which I recently joined, which is Docker Captain. So we are going to yesterday only I received this goodie, so I'm going to see what's inside this box as well. Also, I wanted to share that this is the one of the program that I wanted to join from a very long time, but I couldn't. Like I was not able to manage the time as well because I already part of the couple of more program, and I think it doesn't make sense to be part of so many program where you cannot contribute. And I already spent some time in like quite a good of amount of time in couple of programs, and now it's time that I wanted to contribute to some other ecosystem as well. And Docker is something is like I've been using from last 9 years, you can say that. And one of the first tool which is I would say is mesmerized me when I heard, because I got to know about Docker by attending one local meetup, and from there a journey started, and it's one of the best thing that happened to, you can say, that scale the virtualization technology, you can say, from virtualization to containerization. So that's the best part. And now we are a part of a team where we are going to advocate and we're going to share all the latest things, updates about Docker, like going to let people aware about how they can use the Docker in so many other ways, how AI is going to be help as well. So Docker Captain is a program where the people who are experiencing Docker, working professionals or content creators, or people who actively engage in the community, do meetups or a lot of other activities, right? So they can be a voice of the Docker, you can say that. So I recently applied for that. I got interviewed. Like I was interviewed, and great that I'm very I'm like very fortunate that I was accepted to this program, and I'm looking forward to contribute to this program. Very honest, and in so many other ways. As you know, last year I started my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be more consistent. And yeah, but let's unbox this. To be very honest, I was not excited for any of the other goodies I ever received, but for this, I am. Okay. तो देखते हैं भाई इसमें क्या है. थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश हिंदी हम लोग मिक्स करके रखेंगे तो पता भी चले, राइट, क्योंकि अपनी ऑडियंस दोनों है. ओके, सो आई ओपन दिस. First thing that I've seen is this. And there is a thank you card. There is a note. Well, we are thrilled to welcome you as a Docker Captain. You join the group of experts in the field who are passionate about sharing Docker knowledge with others and helping Docker mission to uh, uh, democratizing the technologies. Of course, this is what we discussed. Like this is what I shared. Right? It's all about we can be the voice. We are advocating for this amazing tool. I'm super excited. So ये एक नोट है. उसके बाद भाई क्या है? This is going to be on my laptop sticker. To be it's 2 months back. मैंने अभी just laptop लिया है और I am not मतलब I have not sticked any stickers yet. जो मेरा पुराना लैपटॉप था वहाँ पे मैंने डाला है, but on this laptop, this is my new laptop. I have not stacked any stickers yet. So Docker is going to be the first one. Okay. Now, okay. So we have this. What is this? Okay. So this is a very cool diary and a pen. ये हेल्प मैं वैसे भी लिखता बहुत रहता हूँ. So this is going to help me to prepare some notes. Okay. Super. Second. Okay. Now, okay, I have this. This is what I was waiting for. This is the jacket, Docker Captain jacket, as you can see. पहन के देख लेते कैसा लगता है. So let's put this down over here. Isn't this amazing? This, oh my god. So we got this diary, we got this diary, we got this note, we got this sticker. Let's see what we have. Let's put the box again over here. I have one more sticker. This is also going to be on my laptop. There's one more thing. I think this is a bottle. Okay. चलो इसको भी खोलना पड़ेगा. तुझे बोलो अनबॉक्सिंग करने का मजा एकदम अलग है. Okay, so yes, this is bottle. Okay. So yes, ये bottle है. This is the bottle. Okay. बेस्ट बॉटल. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे पास वाटर बॉटल्स नहीं है, मेरे पास बहुत सारी है, बट दिस इज द बेस्ट वन बिकॉज कोई भी व्हाइट कलर का नहीं है. दिस व्हाइट कलर एंड लुक एट दिस लोगो, लाइक दिस लुक्स अमेजिंग. आई थिंक दिस डॉकर लोगो इज वन ऑफ बाय फार द बेस्ट लोगो. मतलब जितने भी क्लाउड नेटिव के टूल्स है उसमें से इफ आई कंपेयर, दिस इज द बेस्ट एंड ऑन द व्हाइट इट लुक्स सो अमेजिंग. तो अभी पानी इसमें पिएंगे अपन. Will keep ourselves hydrated. Okay. So we got. So these are the things that we have received. I'm super excited to be part of this program, and I'm going to contribute at my best level in various ways, of course. And I'm also excited to chat with all the Docker captains around. Also, once a year we'll get an opportunity to meet them in person, so I'm very excited for that as well. Also, we'll get a chance to interact with the Docker staff team as well. So, and we are the first one who will get the update first. So, सारे updates मिलेंगी, so we can also help them to test, and we'll also share the feedback about the all the tools that they have. For example, Docker Desktop. That we are using it, so I am actively using on my Mac, so we can provide more feedback so that we can improve as well. So being a part of team, that's the advantage, right? So I'm quite looking forward, and thank you Docker team for sending these amazing goodies, and I'm super excited to contribute. And yes, thanks for having me, and couldn't as I said, couldn't be more excited than this. So thank you again. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our next update. And don't forget to share all the awesome work that you're doing it. And of course, you should do the awesome work and do that. Trust me, it's amazing feeling.